Hello and welcome back to my channel for another classic build. This one is 6398. It is the Central Precinct Police Station HQ. It is from 1993. I think I might have got it in 93 for a Christmas gift. It's 592 pieces, which when I was a kid it seemed like it was a lot more than that. It took me ages to build this when I was a kid. New is about £268, but you can get it upwards from £50 up towards the 268, depending on condition. Pieces missing. I think there is a few pieces missing on this one. I can't remember which pieces, but I think I can pretty much make the whole lot, and there'll just be the odd few pieces. It doesn't affect the build. I know I have got the little motorbike missing, which is a shame. There's a few minifigs missing. This guy's missing. He's lost his hair. Don't have a face for him or a hat. I think I've got the pilot of the helicopter missing. Other than that, there's a couple of pieces. I might look onto Brick Owl. They're great for finding pieces, sets, all sorts. Brick Owl is a good place to source parts. So whether or not I'm willing to try and make it 100%, I'll probably check them out for any pieces that I'm missing. So yeah, let's build this and see what is missing and bring back memories of when I was building it as a kid. And that, everyone, is my end build of my PlayStation. This was my Christmas present when I was 6 or 7. I remember it took me forever to try and build this. It took me hours. Here's a few pieces missing. Like a really long antenna, same as that red one but in grey, and then another one of these missing. There's one of these missing. Obviously the criminal's hair's missing. A few minifigs. There's a green transparent tile front of there missing. But that is pretty much it. Pretty cool build. This tiny little car, I used to love this little car, but now looking at it, it's just funny looking at it and thinking, what the hell? Absolutely tiny. Like a speed champion would run this over. I ain't gonna be able to pull nobody over, not now. That's still pretty cool. Like, I still quite like the springs on it to be a good off-roader. That's still pretty decent for the design of, like, how long the age of the design. And then this helicopter, still find this better helicopter than some of the police stations have now. Like a lot of the we have actually done a police helicopter at the start of this channel, and most of the bodywork was just all in one piece, and then it had like a curved round window at the front. I feel like this helicopter is way better. Got a slight little prison there for the criminal. Little coffee room with the coffee machine there. I'm missing a cup. Come all the way around. Yeah, I'm missing a hammer and a crash helmet. I don't actually know what that piece is supposed to be, that clip. Like, what is that meant to be doing? Is it something just so the minifigs can pull on it to open it up? But just serves as a lock for this door. But I just don't know what the grey clip bit's meant to be. Never knew back then either. Got the prisoner's bed. That's all he has got. Fingerprint room by the looks of it. I am missing a piece again, a tile. It does have a big thin fingerprint on it. Computer room. And then a bed for the police officer. I'm guessing that's the gate room, gate office. Yeah, that is my end build for today. Turn around. '93 or '94 this PlayStation was. Not too bad. I've still got some pieces with stickers on them, which have managed to survive. Some bits have yellowed, which showing their age really. But still pretty decent to build. If you enjoyed my video, leave me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe to my channel please, helps me out, and I will catch you on my next build. Thanks.